Cool, we're dialed in? Sweet. I wake up to a scream. I'm not sleeping. I'm the sculptor of absolute discontent, surrounded by mountain ants. Not yet can I recall this side of the mountain. I was adding plugs of grass when this side sluggishly crept up from behind. It was an ideal half of a mountain that I was sculpting. And while I was adding stitches, changing stitches, the sun, too passionate, opens a hole in the hill. Runny green fields draining past the ankles of sheep. That was unrendered virtual area, a sink for the runoff data. The melted half image sticking to it. For instance, these ants are much larger than I had conceived them to be, and their exoskeletons much thicker. No doubt to insulate against the heat that is hugging the land to slushy bits. And then I see it, this time not from behind me but ahead, to where the mountain's contour becomes a corner. The words I was speaking only days ago, like sugar in the pan, left there, past the point where it is brown and sticky and sweet, past the point where it is smoking, right about where it is tar about to scream. We call it world building. It is what we are fit for. I was born in an already made world, ready to make my own. Each day my sensory reference echolocate a new topographical arrangement. Of course documentation is false, so I keep small notes that can be thrown away the next day. It goes on like this. Observing emergent phenomena, unloading the load of observation, draw a line, a string, a tone. In a phone booth with wooden corners, a street metal beat plays.